Hey dolls, it's Imani and this is Imani in real life. Thank you all for tuning into my channel. Now today I will be showing you all how I completed this basic no makeup look, okay? This is one of my go-tos that I use when I want to just run out real quick, but I don't feel like putting on a whole face and I don't want to be barefaced either. So this is just a little quick something that I like to do. So I hope you all enjoy the video, and yeah, here we go. All right, hey y'all, so I'm here with a quick little video right fast. I have a meeting in about an hour and some change, so I'm gonna do a quick beat. I've already prepped my face, cleaned it and all that good stuff, and I've already primed it with some Lancome La Base Pro, 2 pumps of that. So I'm gonna just go right in and I'm gonna speed this up because I gotta rush, so I'm not gonna be talking to y'all during this. That will slow me down. So yeah, here we go.
All right, y'all, so y'all know first things first, after I have it all primed and ready to go, I'm gonna go in and use this LA Girl Pro Concealer and carve out my eyebrows. That is always my first step when I'm beating my face, is always to do those eyebrows first. So I'm gonna show you all exactly how I do that. Right here I'm just carving those out, and then I'm gonna use a big fluffy blending brush to blend that all out. Y'all, if you watch my videos, you've seen me do this before. This ain't nothing new, you know what I'm saying? We just, you know, going back to the basics. So yeah, I'm just using a big fluffy blending brush from e.l.f. And then today for my foundation, I'm gonna mix Juvia's Place with some Fenty, and using a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead and just dab that, press that all into my skin. Say hello to Mojo in the background. He's back there. That is my new baby. His name is Sir Mojo Jojo. So I'm gonna have some videos on the channel as well about him and my experience with getting my new baby, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I'm just going around with this beauty blender and pressing that into my face and making sure that it is all smooth and, you know, just evenly distributed across my face. And then I'm gonna go in with some Fenty concealer. I have been loving this lately. I used to use the matchsticks, but I ran out of my highlighting matchstick, and so I only have my my highlight color, because you know I have a shimmer highlight one as well. I got the trio, so I only have the contour color and the actual shimmer highlight. So I'm out of the actual highlight color that matches my skin tone. So I had to go back and get some more. They were out. So I went on ahead and got the actual liquid concealer, and I've been loving it. And right now I'm just going in with that same beauty blender that's on my contour. You saw me use that on the side that I used the color for full face to help blend it even more, and I used the pointed side to actually do the highlight parts of my face. So that part was clean, and then I used the part that I already applied my full face with. So right now I'm going in with some Black Radiance powder. All of the products used are going to be in the description, so don't worry about if you're missing anything. Like, it's going to be in there and you're going to understand. And now I'm going in with some more Black Radiance. This is a loose setting powder, and that's I know for a fact this is called Honeymoon, the shade that I'm using. So that's what I'm using to set my full face, and I did my contour highlight at first. This eyeliner, this liquid eyeliner, is from NYX. It's a holiday collection, so I really can't tell you many details on it, and I got it at like Marshall's, one of those types of stores. So, you know, I really don't know. It was probably limited edition or running out or discontinued, honestly, you know, because that's the kind of stock that they get. And then on my bottom lashes, that was a No Budge retractable liner by e.l.f. In the color black. And I'm throwing on some lashes, hunty. These are by Kiss. I don't know the number right off the top of my head, but if I can find it, it will be in the description box. But I love Kiss. Their lashes are just everything. And then that's a Lancome mascara on the bottom of my face, doing a little bit of touching up right quick. And then this is a Makeup Revolution blush that I'm just gonna dot on the apples of my cheeks. And of course, that Kilowatt Trophy Wife highlight by Fenty. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is another retractable liner by e.l.f. This is in the color Coffee. So I'm putting that all over my lips, or I'm lining my lips with that first. And then after I line my lips, I'm gonna go in with this Praline lip color by e.l.f. And I found this also at Marshall's. This was so cute. It's a hemp infused lip gloss. And oh, I needed a brown gloss, and I saw that and I fell in love. Love my Coop and Daisy setting spray. Y'all know that is my go-to. And that's it for this face look. You know what I'm saying? Like that. When I tell you it was simple, easy, no makeup. You see, I barely use many products. This is a less than 10-minute video. Like, y'all see this. Like, real life. You see how I do. And this is what I'm doing when I'm in a hurry, when I'm in a rush. I gotta run out, but I still want to look put together, you know what I'm saying? But I don't need a whole beat, you know? So I just do this little simple flat iron my hair with this unit that I'm wearing today. Just make my hair look nice since my face looks nice, and you know, go on to my meeting. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all get into the end of this.
Enjoyed this little simple, quick, get ready with me video. This is just a look that I use any day that I just want to do something quick, simple, but I don't want to go out barefaced. Nice little natural, no makeup type of look. You know how we do. So yeah, make sure that you all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content, and follow me on social media. Thanks, y'all. I love you. See you next time.